Charlie was our guide, and he was just like incredibly like personable and kind of seemed like just one of our friends. It was really nice the way he kind of interacted with us and was just really, well, first of all, like really knowledgeable, but also just like you were completely engaged with him because he was telling it like a story that you'd kind of want to hear, as opposed to like facts after facts and stuff like that. So yeah, he was incredible.
There wasn't anything that man didn't know, and being in a small group, which was really great, you could ask tons of questions you wouldn't be able to do when you were, if you were in a bigger group. So loads of one-to-one time and loads of little things you wouldn't have noticed if you were in a big group as well. 10, it's a first-class experience. The customer service is absolutely outstanding, and I definitely recommend it to my friends when I go back home.